Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hey, welcome guys, this is Rizwan, you watching Sparkline. Today I'm gonna show you Maharaja Turbomix hand blender. Hi guys, this is a Maharaja hand blender. I bought it in flipkart.com and this price was mentioned 1,699 rupees in MRP in the box, but they are regularly selling 799 rupees, but I got in offer 549 rupees. This is a bill. I got it 549 rupees in Flipkart Big Million Days. This is a box, looks like this, and this is the things you can be used. This is the 350 watts. Let's have a look what are inside. Inside the box you can get one blender and the user manual, how to use, how to not use. This is the user guidelines. We have to follow this. Just keep inside and we'll fix it this. Yeah, it's fixed. There is a brand name mentioned, Turbo 350 watts. This looks very nice. The color is very beautiful. The small blades. It's very sharp. This blender, let's make a juice. How it will gonna be work. I had taken some fruits. Let's make a juice. How it will gonna be work. Wow, juice made it very quickly. It is very easy. If you really like the product, I'll give you a link in the description. You can buy it from there. In this video, that's all guys. If you like the video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll see you on next video.